Hi, this is for the unit, mid-unit 2 test. I'm sorry, I just have to do it right now. Was talking to some teachers, helping them out. All right, oof. Let's go to preview so we can go over the questions. All right, let's start. All right, so Latasha's teacher surveyed some students in Latasha's grade about their favorite ice cream recorded. The results in the bar graph are below. Use the graph to find the following, the total number of students surveyed. So what you have to do for this question is you have to go to every single bar and figure out this. This is 3. That's 9 because it's between 8 and 10. 5 between 4 and 6, and then this is 10. You need to add up all those numbers and then tell me what this is right here when you add up all the numbers. The percent that chose strawberry, you would do 5 over what your total is and then give me that. Okay, multiply by 100 to get the percentage. So when we do this, 12, 22, 27, right? And then you would do it over 27 and figure out what that is. Sorry, gonna going quickly because I need to go ahead and do this. All right, so the stem leaf plot, you need to put the numbers. You look at the numbers. Why did I click that? That's not what I want. Sorry if I'm talking fast, but we have a meeting at 1 that I didn't know about. All right, so you look at this. You have from 1 to 18. So now I'm just going by 0 and 10. So 0, and then I would put 1, 3, 4, and then 3 9s. Okay, and then I would put a 1, and then I would put the other numbers. Okay, and I would put them in order. Okay, just the ones place. All right.
And then what? I'm trying to look for.
All right. Which choice below is most likely the value of the medium of the data set shown in the Instagram above? So it would be the median. Okay. Remember, medium is the middle number. So 12, 4, 6, there's 6 and 8. What's the number between 6 and 8? That would be your median. All right, this problem, find the mean, median, and mode, and the range. Remember, the range is from the biggest to the smallest. So range would be 16 minus 0. The mode would be the one that you see repeat the most. The median would be the one in the middle, so you have to put them in order first.
Alicia, I'm not going to come anymore. You're going to keep being like that.
¿Qué estás haciendo, Alicita?
She's playing with the phone. She's just being like yesterday.
Alicita.
I'm not. I'm trying to look for Lickitung. But yes, Lickitung. They're gonna look for
Anyway, you already know how to find the mean. Is to add all these numbers and then divide by how many numbers you added. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna divide the total by 6, and that will give me the mean. To get the median, this is the across the mountain until I get into the middle. But if you notice, there's 2 numbers in the middle. So to get the median, you have to add those 2 numbers and divide by 2. That would be your median. Remember, the mode is just the one that repeats the most. All right, next question. You're doing matching. Find the number of hours shares spent on each activity. Remember, there are 24 hours in a day. All I do, guys, is multiply. Deborita, estoy grabando, madre. So we do 0.25 times 24, okay? And then that would give me one number, okay? And then I already noticed that I have 225, so I can figure those 2 out. I would do 24 times the 0.20, and that's going to give me the amount of work, okay, homework. And then all I have to do after that is I could add those 3 numbers together and then subtract it from 24 because we're doing 24 hours, and that should show you everybody. So just to say, let me just help you out with this one real quick. So this one is 6. So then I would put 6 for free time and 6 for school, okay? And then for sleeping, I would do this one right here and try to figure out how much 20% of that is, right?
Actually, I just read it and look black. Oh, come on. Read this. Now read this book. That's funny hard. No, it's not.
Stem use that shows the score of 8 people. Highlight the highest and the lowest score, okay? So What's the highest score? 77. So when we go over here, okay, we'll do 7 and 7. That's that score. That's the highest. Highlight the lowest. 41. Okay? That's it. 7.7 and 4.1. I helped y'all with that one because I don't know if that one was just gonna be difficult. All right, here's the odd jobs that she earns, and here are the dollar amounts. She wants to earn a mean of 10 by doing one more job. So what does she need to earn? Okay, so this is more of like an equation. So I do 12 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8 plus 11 plus x. And I make that equal 10. And I divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So now I multiply both sides by 6. And I get 60. I add that up, and that's 22, 30, 38, 49. Okay. Next thing you do is subtract both sides by 49, and that's going to tell you how much he needs to make. All right, number 7. Here's some data with one number hidden, okay, by the variable. If the range is 6, what is the possible value? Okay, so 11 is the biggest. 11 is the biggest, and r is the smallest because we don't know what it is. So we do 11 minus r, and it has to equal 6. Okay? You need to figure out what answer choice can I put in here that when I subtract it from 11, it's going to get me 6. All right, number 9, the range on the dot plot is 3. That means we do the highest to the lowest.
Where are you going?
So, Deborita, ¿qué estás haciendo? What is she doing?
I would just go to
Deborah Leticia Montero. ¿Qué estás haciendo? Vente para acá. No seas muy chiflada.
Mommy.
Huh? 0, and you have
Mommy.
6. So 6 minus 0, is that going to give you a range of 3? Yes or no? No seas mala, eh? What fraction of the people read 5 books at last summer? So 5 people, it was 3 people, okay? So what you have to do is you have to figure out what everything is, okay? We know that it's 3, okay, for 5, but I need to figure out the total. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 2, 3, 4,
Mommy.
4, and 2. Add those numbers together. Mande. 10, 11, 13, 16, 20, 24, 26. All right, there's your fraction, okay? All right. I'm going to stop recording because I got to get ready to go to that meeting, okay?
Genesis, what were you doing? Ouch, ouch, ouch.